Guys, papunta na kami sa hotel. Pedro.
Where are my keys? Oh my god, I should have thought of this.
So, punta na kami ng hotel, guys. Attire ko all black. All black. Nadala akong peanuts. You never know. Baka magutom tayo. Hindi, mag-check-in muna kami bago kami. Oh, Jesus is here. Waiting for me.
Oh my Lord.
So, mag-check-in muna kami bago kami pumunta ng kumain. Hi guys. So, biyahe na kami papunta sa hotel. Hilton Hotel pala yung binook niya. Dapat surprise niya sa akin yun eh. Kaya alam niyo, nagagalit ako pag surprise ako.
You see, man, when you have a strong opinion of anything, and I told you this, man.
Guys, nandito na tayo, Lake Las Vegas.
I think that's probably one in a bunch, man. Oh, okay. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I met.
May poster hindi. Ganda na dito, guys. Nasa taas na tayo ng bundok. Bundok talaga yan, oh. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that view. Kaya mo bang bayaran yung view yan? Wow, majestic creation of God. Look at that view.
God bless you, man.
Wow. May nagtitig pa rin sila dyan. Oh, look at that stones. I think parang inano na lang nila yan. Parang kinakat-cut na nila. Ganda. So, ito naman yung sa unahan. Sa side yung pinakita ko sa inyo. Wow. Look at that. Hindi natin nakuha yung yung falls kanina. So, 5 minutes na lang po yung natin. Travel natin. Wow, look at those wildflowers. Yeah, even here, there's still continued constructions.
Fiber, whatever you want to call it, fiber connection.
At the roundabout, take the first exit on Montalvo Boulevard.
Lake Las Vegas. Season, what's that? Nabasa, mabilis kami. So, still need to wait for 5 minutes. Pero yung way papunta doon, maganda na eh, oh. Nung una nakita lang namin to, dito na yung Labo, Lake, Hilton. Oh, that's different?
It's the same, just the other side.
Tingnan yung hotel, guys. Yan yung pupuntahan natin. So, dito kami sa kabila. Di kami deepen place. Kasi nung una pinunta namin to, parang dinaanan lang namin. Bumiyahe kami parang pataas pa ng bundok. Ito na yung pinaka-hotel niya. Ito malawak to. Oh, ganda. Wow, look at that. Sarap dito tumira. Ang mahal siguro ng dito. Not siguro, for sure. Mahal yung residential dito. Sorrento. I think this real estate. Oh, look at that pond. Is it a pond, love, or lake?
It's a pond, man.
It's a pond.
Pond, man. Nailed it. That is a little pond. The lake is next to that. A massive lake.
Ganda ng langit. Look at the skies, love. Really beautiful.
Everything changes here all over the world.
Ah, the outlook.
It's like entering Florida instead of being
Yeah.
welcome to Florida. Similar.
Nakakainis, nakalimutan ko yung stick ko, guys. I forgot my stick.
This
Yung bago kong
Oh,
camera
you mean the
holder.
camera stick?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's here.
You had
It's
it?
in the trunk.
Oh, really?
It's right here.
Dala pala ni Pedro. Akala ko
That was on the
nalimutan.
front side. I was confused.
Yeah.
Yes, here. I got it here.
Wow, thank you, love. So, this is Tramonto.
But this is our entrance right here.
Ito yung entrance namin. Oh, the Westin. Westin Las Vegas Resort and Spa. Ito yung hotel namin. I thought it's Hilton. Westin pala, love. It's not Hilton. Sorry, mali ang intindi ko. Ayan. So, baba lang kami. Oh, nandito na kami, guys. So, ito yung entrance. Hindi ko alam. Hindi namin alam kung saan yung entrance. Oh, I think, yeah, that's the entrance lang. Ganda ng lugar, guys. Look at that. Ito yung entrance niya, guys.
Want a picture there?
Pagong.
No?
Ito yung pinakalabi nila, guys. Si Pedrito, may baby, may husband, may asawa. Ang connected pala sila sa Marriott doon. Marriott. Convoy. So, the Westin Lake Las Vegas. Oh, Tour Diamond 2025 and 2024. May binigay sa atin silang the Westin Lake Vegas Resort and Spa Dining. Parang ito yung pwede nyong okay. Ito yung pwede nyong gawin dito or ito yung part na ng check-in niya. Dining, Canada Spa, Post Inspiration. Ating schedule. Okay. 4310. So, meron din silang ganito for mga PWD or elderly, I think. Yan ang si Pedro po. My baby Pedro. Love, you like it?
Yes.
Oh, it's really nice. Nice lobby.
It's really nice.
Look at the chandelier. Ang ganda.
Yeah, that's the lake view. It's quite massive. It's quite large, man. Look at that thing. Oh, the pool's nice. So, and we have an inner fountain and an outer fountain.
Ganda, guys.
Is the mic on? She gives me with her eyebrows. I'm like, oh, she's saying yes. Okay.
It's our Philippines.
I'm learning. They respond with their eyebrows or their mouths. They point. Well, she doesn't point.
Spo. Pinagsama yung spa tsaka pools. Ito yung pool side dun sa area yun. Okay.
That's the one thing that she doesn't do. She doesn't point with her lips, but she answers with her eyebrows. So yes means eyebrow up and down.
You understand me now?
Yeah.
Pagandahan kasi konti lang yung tao ngayon.
Marrakesh Express. I guess that's like a little bakery.
Oh, meron din sila dito parang boutique or
So boutique, yeah.
do you call that boutique lang?
Fancy hats. Yeah, I bet you those hats are like
Hats,
80 to 100 bucks per hat or more.
Hey guys, so meron silang shades, hats, accessories. Ganda yung mga hats nila. Parang kay Mama Love.
Yeah.
It's like
Yeah,
Mama's
mom
hat.
used to buy those a lot. They call them Pamelas and
Pamelas?
Pamelas, yeah, big hats. Oh, Starbucks actually, but it's
Oh, they also have
closed.
Starbucks.
Yeah, they have it integrated. I want to try this coffee then in the morning.
Marrakesh Express.
Oh, wait.
Express. Parang ano to?
I got lost. I'm not even looking at my room. 4310. So, is that the 4th floor or something?
Meeting room.
We'll find out now.
The coffee shop is Marrakesh Express. Pero,
Sorry, I'm looking for elevators.
ang ano-offer nila is Starbucks coffee.
Yeah, Lover Boy is lost.
Yung wala ka lang. At hindi namin alam saan kayo pupunta.
Let's go this way, see what happens. Follow me. Lover Boy doesn't know where he's going.
Okay, I will follow you.
4310. There's nobody to ask anything here. Oh, okay. At any point, we're going to run into some elevators. I don't know.
It's okay, at least we're, moving around.
We're inside the Hilton,
We're doing pasyal.
but we
I think these
cannot
are-
find the
I think
elevators.
this is not for the rooms.
She said make a left, all the way down, make a left.
Oh, maybe.
I did, but
Did they-
no, Mama, there's nothing here. Unless you want to go all the way there, but I don't.
Yeah. I want to see the place. I think these are the meeting rooms.
Well, no. Oh, okay, I'm really lost now.
I think yung meeting rooms.
These are conference rooms, love. So, I think we were supposed to make a ride. I don't know. Well, yeah, I am.
Ang ganda lang.
Do we have a little
Tao.
map here that says where we're going or something? No little map, just 4310. And the card key may have it. No, it doesn't.
Bonvoy. Gano kaya dito?
Is that a map?
Foundation, I remember.
No. Oh, yeah, look at the signs. I'm not reading. It says it's for like meetings, not for rooms.
Yeah.
So there's gotta be something.
As well.
Hi, sorry about it. Do you work here? No? Okay, just trying to find, oh, that way.
Ballrooms.
Yeah. It's gotta be that way. Ballroom, restrooms? Did I miss a left or something? Oh, I might have missed it. We might have missed it because this is the ballroom,
is
love.
right.
No, Mama. This is the ballroom, love. Oh, there was no left. Yeah, I think we missed the left, love. We're excited looking, so
Yeah.
I think we missed that first left. That first left over there. You see by the pool? I think that was the left that we were supposed to make. We came all the way down.
Because you know what? She spoke really fast. This is ballroom and meeting.
Yeah, we're on the wrong side. We're giving a tour of this thing.
Yeah, this is a tour. Tour for them.
This is the left that she was talking about, I think. How? Okay. 4310. 4310, right here. Well, 43-1 through 4016.
16. Ito na yung hotel sa akin. Ay, yung rooms na. Room na. What number lang?
Oh, elevator. I think it's 4th floor, love. Right? I think. Let's see. No, it's only 2 floors. Oh, no. 5, 6. Oh, yeah, there is a 4th floor, but what? No, that's the pools. Lobby, meeting, no. Oh no, look right there, 4316. I see it. Oh, my doorbell's ringing. Who is at the house?
Hala, I told.
It's this way, love. You were right. It's that way. 4310.
13. So this one. 4310.
Hi, just a second. My son will be right there. Bear with me a moment.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you.
All right.
Just that lang.
Are you one of the nurses? I'm sorry, that's coming to see my mom or no? I'm so sorry. Just asking.
No, my name is Tina from the Home Care Workers Union.
Oh my God, Tina, I'm so sorry. We're actually at a stay-in hotel. My son is the only one there with my mom. You caught me on my anniversary. I'll be back tomorrow afternoon.
Hi guys!
Hello.
O, ito na yung aming outfit for today. Naka-black kami. Wala lang, black lang. Pinartneran ko lang siya kasi bagong niya to bagong polo shirt niya to. Pinartneran ko lang yan kaya ako naka-black. So, mag-room tour tayo guys. Pagpasok mo ng room, meron na sila ditong for your clothes or cabinets. Ayan guys. May plancha sila provided. Meron sila dito, kabayo. And they also have this for your luggage. Love.
Oh,
Can you open this for me?
yes, of
please?
course. Yes.
Can you put our bag there?
Yeah.
So, yung bag namin, maliit lang. Kasi hindi naman kami mag-stay dito na matagal.
What's the phone?
Hawak mo na.
It fell in
It's
there.
there.
Oh, I have it. Sorry.
So, yung gamit namin, actually, we're gonna stay here only like
24 hours
24
overnight.
hours overnight only.
Because of mom.
Pero uwi pa rin kami gawa ni mama.
That would have been 2 to 3 days, but
Yeah.
okay.
Ang plan namin talaga is 3 days. 2 nights and 3 days. That's our plan, but
Love.
we cannot do that because mama, nobody will stay with mama. So, buksan natin yung ilaw. Ito yung from the entrance door, yung cabinet on the left, then may vanity mirror dito, / coffee table. Meron dito mga pakape. So, free yan, syempre. Meron sila ditong kape. Yeah. Try natin ito mamaya, mga kape-kape nila. Parang masarap. Then, meron sila ditong glass. May cabinet dito. Sa loob ng cabinet, may vault provided. May vault sila. May mini fridge. Oh, mali ang bukas ko. Sorry naman.
Ooh.
Mini fridge. Bukas yan. I don't know what's this.
Hold this for a second.
So, meron siyang vacant para sa, vacant cabinet kung may ilalagay tayo. Tapos, meron din silang tubig. Salamat naman. Then, may malaking mirror dito sa right. Then, bathroom. Check natin ang sa bathroom ng si Pedro. Then, meron ditong left side is yung TV. Ewan ko ilang inches to. Buksan natin yung mga cabinet. Drawer pala. So, may mga drawer pa dyan. Oh, ang ganda ng chair nila. I love the chair. I like the chair. Wow. So, yung table, ang ganda ng side table dito. Not side table. I don't know how do you call this table. Basta table below the TV. Meron sila ditong socket kasama sa table. Ayan. May table and chair pa rin sila dito if you want to use that for if kakain ka, ganyan. Then, ito yung bed. I think this is a queen size. Queen size bed. Ang ganda na niya, oh. Ano bang tawag sa ganito? Backsplash? Ano? Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag niya dito. Basta yan. Head. Bed. Love, what do you call that, love? Backslash? What do you call that?
Backboard design.
Backboard design.
Backboard.
Yeah, ang ganda. So, this is love, queen size.
King size bed, yeah.
May paano sila
Testing.
dyan.
Can you hear me testing? 1, 2.
May pa-sofa sila dito.
This mic.
Ayoko nung kulay ng sofa. Luma. Then, ito yung bathroom nila. Ito yung bathroom nila. Ito yung bathroom, malaki. Kaya lang, syempre, walang bidet. Perfect pa rin yung bathroom namin kasi may bidet kami. So, yeah, ito yung shower.
Shower. She's
Rain
describing the toilet.
shower. Oh, meron silang what's this? Hindi ko alam to kung ano to. Shampoo ba to?
So,
Siguro body wash. Hindi nila nilagyan eh kung ano ba to shampoo. Wala nakalagay. Ito, shampoo. Sorry naman din nagbabasa. May pa-shampoo, pa-conditioner, and pa-body wash sila. Ganda. Then, tingnan natin yung laman na dito. May towel, 3 towels, 2 towelette, may extra tissue, may pa-blower din sila dito. Yan. Ito yung towelette also, hand soap.
love.
Okay, what's this?
Have you seen the window
Oh, may lotion
and the
din.
view and the restaurant for
So,
sushi?
ito po yung ating bathroom. Malaki siya. Maganda yung bathroom nila. Love, I like the bathroom. It's big. Oh, and then ito. Actually, Pedro likes this.
Wow, Wagyu beef. Check it
Pedro,
out.
look at this. I
Reservations
love
are
this
recommended.
mirror.
Ooh,
Yung
Tuesday.
pag pag
Saturday.
shave, I think. Usually, ginagamit yan ng lalaki. Yan.
Second floor, happy at Tuesday to Saturday. Sushi,
Oh.
AAA 4 diamond rated fine dining
Oh.
experience offers specialized Wagyu beef, delicious seafood, signature sushi.
Sorry.
Right there.
Oh, thank you, love.
Yeah, see that?
So, kain kami dyan. Marsha's Steak and Sushi. So, ito yung labas. Pwede tayong lumabas dito. Nakala. Oh, may tayong lumabas, mainit eh.
And there's a view.
Yeah, ang ganda ng view, guys. Look at that view. Oh, labas tayo. We can go out naman eh. Ayan, guys. Ang ganda ng view. Look at that. Wow. Oh, that pool. Oh no, that's like a beach style. Pwede rin kayo mag-swimming doon. Or mag-fishing, I think. Yan. Ganda. I don't know kung nasa yung pool. Para sa second floor kami. Ganda, guys. Ganda siya. Where's the pool side, love? Love.
I think it's on the other side.
Yeah, because those
Not
are
too
like
sure.
fountain place only.
I think it's not. It's also on the second floor.
Oh,
We have to go up. One,
Oh.
yeah, one. It's the second floor of the pool, according to the brochure on the TV. Well, see that spa, 9 to 5 daily. See the pools, but that's on the second floor.
ah.
See, look, pool.
So at least meron silang ganito. Yan, discuss sa inyo ni Pedro.
I saw it in the elevators at second floor for us.
And love, I think this is our activities for today.
What are they? Let me
Here.
see. I have no glasses. All men can't see. Yeah, you take one. I
12
take
to
one.
11 p.m. Oh, 12. Ah! So, this is for the dining. It's open 12 p.m. to 11 p.m.
You want to go?
Then 4 p.m. to 6
It's a
p.m.
5-star
Sunday.
diamond restaurant,
Yeah.
love. So it's gotta be
In-room dining naman. We can have in-room dining.
how much?
No, that's the schedule.
Oh,
For
they don't put the
time for-
prices. Okay.
Okay.
I don't
They
think that's
have
included.
Marrakesh Express, yung coffee shop nila.
Let me ask
Rick's
ChatGPT.
Cafe, Sands a bar, Sands a bar and grill pool. The weekend at the spa pool recreation. Upper pool. Oh, so may ito lang yung schedule para alam namin kung kailan open or hindi siya open or if closed or open. So meron sila dito recreation pool and deck Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Water slide. Oh, meron silang water slide. So today is Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday today. Friday, Saturday, Sunday lang to. Monday to Thursday, close. Oh, close ang water slide. Beach and swing zone. Fitness, it's open. Fitness center is open daily. Speedy Arcade, Yoga, this Westin Lotus. Okay.
Facials can range from about 100 to 150 depending on the type, and body wraps and other.
So guys, when you enter from the room, ito na yung makikita mo. Yung ating bathroom. Tapos ito naman yung kanilang, what do you call this, a bar?
Yeah, like a little
Little
bar. Yeah, small bar.
Mini bar.
Mini bar.
Kasi nandito yung kanilang fridge, yung vault. Tapos may coffee, something here for free.
Oh, that's the fridge.
Yung CR, kitang-kita. Guys,
Oh, it's empty.
check ko lang. Ayan. Actually, nakapakita ko na to sa inyo kanina. Then, ito yung ano. Yeah. And then, ito yung ano.
You want to put it closer? They don't hear you. Like here. There.
So, ito yung room. Look at the room. Ganda yung room niya. Tapos, kung makikita nyo yung sa labas. Ang ganda-ganda.
Oh, soft bed. Oh, wow, this is so soft.
So, yan.
This AC
Lagyan
better
natin
get cold.
Ito lagyan natin ito dito para
We need a fan.
mainit. Mas malakas pa yung aircon namin.
I want a fan.
Our aircon is better in our house. Ayan. Ano to?
Oh, look at these lights.
Queen size.
Sweet.
Yeah. Ito rin on para maganda.
Yeah, they look nice. They look
Oh,
nice
yeah.
on, actually. Well,
Buksan natin lahat. Para makita
Spotlights.
natin yung kagandahan ng
at night they look
lugar.
nice.
It's really nice. I love it.
Oh, this is like a little work desk.
Yeah, if you
With
want.
a stool.
That's
Or
for
here.
dining.
Or dining. But we can dine here.
Oo nga.
Or
But
there.
no, we will go back.
We have a couch.
No.
We have a couch.
Sige, matulog na tayo, guys.
Oh. Yeah. You gotta look at this menu, love.
Oh, yeah. Let's go. Panoodin natin.
So we know what we're ordering.
Oh, the menu? Let's go.
Yeah, it's here.
Where? Oh, there?
It's a bunch of pictures of all the food. Oh, I disconnected the phone again. Why did I do that?
Come here.
Yeah, ma.
Sit with me.
No.
You don't wanna...
I just can't. I gotta be comfortable.
Go get your chair there. Oh, ito. What do you want, love?
I don't know yet.
I don't know.
I like a lot of stuff
I
from there.
usually eat only the
The
appetizer.
steak with soy sauce. There's a lot of stuff that they do.
Actually, I eat only the appetizer. Always.
Okay.
Oh. Ito yung ano nila, yung kanilang menu, guys.
It's too bright in your face.
Kaya nga. The camera is following yung maasawa. Ang likod ng camera eh.
There we go. That's better.
How about you, love? You want to try their steak?
Yeah.
Try their
You
steak,
see with the soy sauce?
and then I'll go for. Oh, look at this! What is
I
this?
can't see it.
This looks. Oh, I
This
think
is
that's
chicken.
salmon.
Or Sam.
I'm thinking that's salmon.
I don't know, but I zoomed into it. Something else. I don't know.
Yeah, it's
what it
like
is.
salmon.
You saw the steak? Yeah.
Get the steak for you, and I will get some like
we have
appetizer only.
we have to make reservations. They said it's preferred. Reservations are recommended.
Oh, really?
Well, I'm gonna call. I have the number right there.
Oh, yeah.
Second floor. See,
Ito, oh.
we
You
are on
can
the second floor. Right?
directly,
Hmm.
reserve now. There.
Yeah. Oh yeah, no reserve. Do it, cause we're going now. I'm hungry.
Oh. Okay.
I'm so hungry. We may have to go. You're still recording.
Ito ang
Okay.
menu.
We may have to go home for a change tonight.
Yeah, tonight. Babalik kami guys sa bahay just to change mama.
But we'll record at night. We'll see the lights. The
Yeah.
mountains.
Yeah, while traveling.
nice.
It's good. I like it.
Yeah.
Actually, that is like another adventure for us.
Yeah.
Actually, we can eat outside.
We can. What's around here? You don't want to eat here?
Yeah. Because I think it's the same, it's better outside. Because we're gonna pay here like 200, but we can pay only 100 outside with that kind of food. Let's just be smart. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, we can check. Let me look at the
Let's
map.
just go around first, love. Right.
So, Google.
Yeah, guys, ikot kami sa hotel, then lalabas kami to eat. Kasi
Supposedly
I don't
it's
like
better. But,
we
okay, so.
we plan to eat here, but I told Pedro it's better to go out and check the place and then eat
So here are
around the area.
Two Sisters roasted chicken. No. Do Remo. What is Do Remo? Avocado toast.
Mamaya,
ranch,
uwi din kami to clean mama.
Sonrisa Grill, is that Spanish? Great food, good sized portions, and
Ang
list.
sarap lang magpahinga, guys. Ang sarap lang.
That's an
I
LG.
love their bed, though. Their
Yeah,
pillow.
I don't think it connects to the LG TV.
Huh?
It's not connecting. Oh, you know why? Because it's on the.
Oh.
Wait, I know why. How do you get out of here?
Let's go. I will make you some coffee.
Okay, Mama.
You stay there.
Yeah, my love. I'm trying to figure out because they give you information on the TV. Let's see here.
Guys, gawa natin ng kape si Pedro. Sama kayo sa akin. Hindi tayo.
Welcome.
Ayan. English breakfast. It's sealed, kaya malinis. Good job, guys. I like you with that. So, let's see.
Oh, they go to the hotel.
Oh, they have pads. Is this a pad? Oh no, it's not a pad. It's this pouch. Pouch. Then, let's see how it goes. We put it here. Okay. Then water. Hintayin lang natin yung tubig para masarap. Oh, so easy. Oh, may tea rin sila. If you don't want the coffee, they also have tea. Tingnan natin siya. Okay.
I signed into my Netflix.
Start natin. Let's see. Oh, talaga? You have Netflix there?
Well, hopefully.
Custom roasted coffee. Torrefaction personalized decafé. Oh, I think it should go inside. I think I did wrong. Or I think we should put this inside the coffee. Ay, the cup. May mali tayong ginawa, guys. Tingnan natin kung paano ba ito.
No, love. But I can't connect to it, so we're gonna have to look at it here on the phone. Oh, we forgot our tablet.
Yeah.
Hold on. This.
That and you will hold
Wait.
it.
Yeah.
And I will hold this.
And I will hold this. Okay.
What do you want? This or this?
I do whatever. You hold the phone. Yeah. No. And it's a recording, by the way. But I didn't want to turn on. This is not explaining where we're at. It says second floor.
I think this is the answer.
Are we on the second floor?
Oh, this is the pool.
That's the pool. You want to go now or later? Because we're gonna get in.
Where are we going?
I'm looking for the second floor restaurants. Here we go.
I think we're on the second floor, Malone.
Are we? No, we're not.
No, we're on
Fourth.
the fourth floor.
Yeah. Didn't I tell you?
It looks like it's not.
Yeah, it's
that
weird. The
big.
layout is, I mean, not in a negative way. Here goes the restaurant, Marsa. Oh my God, this is empty. It's only for.
This
Yeah,
is
make-
Rick's.
Make reservations for what?
But this is Rick's, though.
No, Marsa.
Oh,
Read.
Martha.
No, mi amor.
It's closed.
Oh.
5:30. Love. Martha is 5:30 p.m. We don't
Well,
have any
guys,
choice. We
there
need to
you
get
have it.
out of
Oh, this Rick's Cafe. Let's go that way. Let's see what's over there. Oh man, so are we gonna just buy something simple and then come here later, or now we got something?
And it's also closed.
Don't tell me it's 5 o'clock.
11:30.
11:30 to 5. What do you?
11:30.
Are they remodeling or
It's
something?
currently closed for lunch. Please visit the Arabesque. So, guys, close ngayon. Marsa is closed also. If you're really hungry, let's go out.
Oh
let's
man,
celebrate
what a
our
bummer.
lunch.
Well, do you want to go see the pool then
Outside.
instead first, and then
Yeah.
leave? Because at
And
this
then
point,
leave, and then let's go
We'll
directly to Mama
but
and clean Mama, and then let's go back here and let's celebrate the place.
okay. So what are we gonna eat?
Mr. Kim's,
Mr. Kim's.
yeah,
Okay.
because we know the food, right?
Why don't we go to Kobe?
Kogi?
Kogi, no?
Yeah.
I mean,
What's the
something.
nearer?
I think Kogi might be closer, love. Kogi's closer. I think.
Nearer,
I might be
closer,
wrong. I'll
okay.
find out now.
Ah.
Check it out, man. What an entrance.
Oh, you know, meron silang, I don't
Oh,
like,
look at that lake, man. Look at that view.
mga na ano nila dito.
Mm.
Oh, I can put that, guys.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. I mean, the view, you have to go outside for that. And I think that's the door. Are you going outside?
That's that. Oh, let's do that later, love, because we're hungry.
Oh, okay. So you don't want to go see the pool?
Fine.
The pool is second
Yeah.
floor, the elevator.
Check out the pool.
Yeah, come on this way.
Kasi magano kami,
Oh.
mag-swimming kami later.
Because we're going to go around if you go through here. But let's go around anyway.
This is Arabesque.
Yeah.
Oh. Here we go, guys. Let's check out their swimming pool. Yan
So
natin.
only one restaurant is
Oh no,
open.
this is the entrance.
Yeah, we're at the entrance. No, that's right. Here, see, it's here.
So, diyan kami nag-ano.
Because we're going to
kanina.
the elevators. Remember?
Hi.
Bye, ma.
Hi, mister. Cool.
My check. Went through my check.
So, no choice kami. No choice kami, kundi,
They only have 2 restaurants, I think. Here, that's it.
yeah, actually, it's not a restaurant, it's just a coffee shop.
Yeah. I want to wear my bikini.
Yeah, we
Mankini.
will be wearing bikini later.
Mankini. I'm gonna scare everybody.
Ibalay kami yan.
Oh, there is people out there.
How do you find it, love? Like
Huh?
it? Like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's see.
This is the pool
It's
side,
low
love.
season right now, so that's why we're getting
I like the...
these deals.
Wow.
Smells like barbecue. That's the second pool over there. That's the first main pool over there.
You like it?
I do. Of course. Anything in a pool.
Guys,
Water.
ang ganda kasi ng
Relax.
panahon. And I like the weather
It's not bad
right
at all.
now. Wow.
I'll go later when it's a little more cooler. There's chairs there.
Look
See?
at that, guys. And, is that you?
That's me, yeah. I don't know why it's playing that, but it's playing that.
That's your ringtone?
No, that's Alice. Thing that she sent me about her birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. And guys, yung location.
Why am I guys? Oh.
Nice place. Oh, you can have some there, Lavo. They have fries. Yeah, they have food there. You wanna check there? Like, I think a barbecue something. Love? Wait.
Wait, no. Wait. What?
They have barbecue fries there. Like,
Oh,
like
you can order.
snacks. Yeah.
You want to go all the way there and check, but it's just burgers and fries, so like basic burgers or maybe steak. I don't think they're gonna have specialty foods.
Oh, let's just get out.
Hmm?
Let's go. There's a car naman.
He died, love.
He died, of course.
The chat at
it's
church
in the
is talking.
net.
Look, our chat is talking, and now they said praying for healing, praying for high.
Oh, my
He
goodness.
was a warrior. Now he has passed. So sad.
Wow.
Rest in peace and prayers for a young family.
Wow. Ganda naman ng view.
I think I wore the wrong shirt for this.
Guys, dahil nga sarado yung pupuntahan natin sa hotel na diner. Ayan, not diner, restaurant. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Samurai Japanese Steak Sushi. Ayan. Ito yung kinakainan namin lagi dati. Ito malapit eh. Parang 10 minutes lang kami. Kaya dito na lang kami. Kilala namin yung food. Para kasing naano ko, nakatakot na akong kumain sa hindi ko kakilala. Dahil kahapon, oh my goodness, last night yung experience namin, Japanese restaurant din siya. Wala talagang lasa. I really don't like it. At least ito, kilala namin to. So, kilala namin yung food. Hi! Yeah.
Daniel.
No. Just,
Which will be nice. Yeah. You want to do this?
because they're gonna have that. That's why just ask me. Thank you.
Oh, this is so private. Private.
So guys, nandito na kami sa Samurai Japanese Steakhouse. Hi!
I'm doing great. Can I get you guys waters or any juices?
Do you like
Water
with
only.
lemon?
Yeah.
I would like also water with lemon, but I would teriyaki chicken.
So guys, nandito kami. Layo naman kami nandito. Kaya lang, yung nagkaiba ngayon, syempre, hindi na matagal ng panahon. When was the last time we were here? I think it's like 1 year ago.
Yeah.
A year
27,
ago.
I'm getting the teriyaki chicken. 27, not even getting
Okay.
steak, just chicken.
So yung kanya daw is yung 27.95 teriyaki chicken.
Shrimp or salmon? Or calamari, mahi-mahi.
So ang kanya daw ay eto, teriyaki chicken. And one of the options, shrimp or salmon with salmon yung kanya. Eto. Eto. 27 or 29 lang. Ayan, 27. Ayan. Yung sa akin, alam ko naman yung, kasi yung nut hindi naman yung kinukuha na. So, I would have the samurai bento box. Tapos, I think I always have shrimp tempura. I wanna try the beef teriyaki then. No, shrimp na lang. Shrimp tempura. Sige lang, yun lang.
Shrimp tempura?
Then, we will not have any dessert kasi may malaki akong chocolate.
No, you get 4 here.
Chocolate!
Oh, you still have that? Oh.
Dinala ko. Malaki to guys. So, tignan nyo.
Teriyaki chicken and
Ngayon,
one of the
ganyan na lang.
offers is shrimp.
Mula kagabi. Actually guys, tinitingnan ko to sa online. Parang ano siya. Kasi nakalagay dito, comparable price niya is $8, but I got it for $6 only. But I don't know if kung bibili siya sa labas. Kasi sarap niya guys, dark chocolate. Dark chocolate.
Ah,
siya.
crap.
Mas may ano siya, may feeling siya sa loob. Velvety and intensively chocolate feeling.
I don't want nobody to fall, so
Hoy, sabi nila,
Huh?
since 1851 pa tong chocolate na to. I think this is not American brand. This is... Oh, this came from Poland. Polska, Poland. UK product pala to. Kaya pala. Sabi ko kay Pedro, once na mapadpad kami doon sa lugar na yun, pupunta kami sa Marshalls or Ross. Sabi ko kay Pedro, gusto ko, punta kami sa Marshalls, ito lang bibilhin ko. Bili ko 2 na. Masarap kasi. So, yun yung food ni Pedro, guys. You like it, no?
yeah, it's really good.
So, ano to? Chicken steak. Then, with salmon, yung pancit, and garlic rice. With, with salad yan, guys. Then, yung sa akin is, tempura bento box. Ito yung mga breaded natin with shrimp. What's this lang nga? Yung last night. Dumpling, breaded
But those are good.
dumpling, yeah.
This salmon is delicious.
White rice lang ako.
This salmon is delicious. Very good.
I wanna try it.
It's soft.
I wanna try it. 'Cause I really like their miso soup here. So, kain na tayo. Salmon yun ni Pedro. Right. Well seasoned. The
Yeah.
seasoning is
It's not too much. It's
with
good.
lemon.
Little bit. Yeah. It has lemon.
Lemon and soy sauce with garlic only.
You recognize it?
We can buy it raw and I'll just marinate it.
Please.
Guys, actually, like kami nakain dito.
That's the first thing I'm eating.
Dati pa kami na kumakain dito. Kaya lang, napatigil kasi the last time. Bakit ba? Nag-try kami ng ibang food. Pero dati lagi kami dito kumakain. As in, dito kami lagi kumakain. Makatas ang pa ako, guys. So, try na natin. Kung may pinag-iba ba. May ano lang ako dito, tea. May cha. Tingnan natin, guys. Si Pedro, lagi siyang beef steak before. Ang dami, ang dami. Alam nyo, how much is your plate, love? It's like
$29.
no,
$30.
$27 only. $27 yung kanya. Sa akin parang $21. So, better. Actually, kaya
Yeah,
dito
27.
Yeah. Kaya dito kami kumain kasi yung kakainan sana namin is sarado pa. Still close by lang the place that we will eat supposedly.
Maybe it wasn't meant for us that. Want some?
I wanna try kiss pancit. I love pancit. It's like lo mein, ano?
Same thing, and you really like mom's lo mein. From Wang Wang.
We call it pancit canton. The sushi. This California sushi. Thank you for bringing me here, love. Actually, hindi rin kami dapat pupunta dito. Ang plan namin is barbecue. Korean barbecue. Mr. Kim, no, love? Mr. Kim, which is we came there also before. We tried that before, but naalala namin, mas parang nadaanan namin to. And of course, I know this place already. But I think Mr. Kim is more expensive than here, love, right? It's like 40, 50. All you can eat, 40 to 50 per person. But we don't need.
No, we like that.
We don't need all of that. And ano ka pa? You know what I don't like it, love? Is that you need to do your own cooking.
And you overeat.
Yeah.
Because
I don't eat a lot. Pedro doesn't eat a lot anymore.
Not anymore.
So this is a big meal for us, and this is more healthier choice because we have salad here.
Broccoli, carrots. I don't know what this is. Cucumber.
Zucchini.
Zucchini. Pickle.
And doon, hindi mo pwedeng i-take out yung tira mo. You cannot to go the
Nope.
leftover.
You have to eat it there.
Here, you can take it home. It's better. It's like they're forcing you to eat all of your food there. And then they're gonna throw all of your leftovers. It's your conscience, guys. Kain lang kami, guys, ha? So, guys, katatapos lang namin kumain. Punta kami ng Walmart ngayon. Bili kami ng pang-snack namin later at night. Then, bili kami ng bahay. Although, meron kami room para lang linisin si mama. Then, nagbigay ng medicines. Then, balik ulit kami ng hotel. Siguro later mag-stargazing kami. Then, mag-swimming kami tonight. So that will be the plan for today or for tonight. Then tomorrow, ang check-out namin is 12 o'clock. So let's see tomorrow.
Use the right lane to turn right on West Warm Springs Road.
Ayan, guys. Dito na kami, guys. Guys, punta kami sa... Where are we going now?
Outside.
For
Stargazing. Oh.
stargazing. Stargazing kami, guys.
You feel up from a back this shirt. Here, let's go. Oh, we're close to the car now. Not too far.
Ah, really?
Well, I mean, in the sense of to the entrance. We have to go
yeah.
down there.
Doon kami galing before. So,
You can do practice.
ah, wow.
It's free.
So, ito yung hotel namin, West Inn Hotel. Ito sa Lake Las Vegas.
You can go outside. I want to go to the backyard. When you come back, okay?
Okay. Ngayon, mag-ano kami, stargazing kami. Labas kami dito. Kami mga dalagat binata. Or dalagat binata, love. You know, single people.
Single people?
We're just like me and my boyfriend only.
Yeah.
Just mag-jowa.
Oh, it's so darky. I like it.
Yeah. Ganda naman.
I'm gonna record in my camera because if you want it, then if I do it in the other one, it's too big.
Oh, yeah.
So,
Kunin muna namin yung camera namin, camera. Yung aking mic para rinig na rinig nyo a catch.
there you go.
So, ito yung lugar, guys. Paggabi. What is the time now? It's 9:41. So, 83 degree Fahrenheit. Westin Hotel. Dito lang kami sa... Oh, may ilaw pala. May pailaw si Mayor. Paggabi. Punta lang kami sa sasakyan. Punta kaming lugar. Check namin kung pwede. How can we do that stargazing, love, if there's no star at night?
But I think it's because it's still too bright here. We're gonna have to go somewhere darker, like over there.
I don't think so, love. Oh, yeah.
No, wait. No, seriously. If you go darker,
Yeah.
you can see.
I can see the stars now.
You have that light. I can see crap. That's turned off. It's supposed to be dark.
I don't know. It's like automatic.
It's automatic?
Yeah.
Turn it off, babe. It's so bright.
Oh, yeah. Love, I want to go to the place that we go the first time.
First time.
Yeah, the first time before this. Oh, blinding. Easy. Ang dilim, guys.
They went back out of the hotel to see if we can do stargazing. Because they said in the desert you can do stargazing. But you have to be in an area that has zero light.
It's a zero light.
So super dark. And that's when you could, enjoy it. I mean, let's see if what they say is true.
Oh, yeah. Actually, you can see it now. We haven't done this, no?
No, stargazing is. There was a telescope they were selling in the thrift store, and it looked like a good one. Now I said, I think I should buy it,
Oh, we should.
and I didn't buy it. It was big too, black one, nice. Could have brought it here. Now too late. That's what happens when you think about things.
Scary. It's so dark. This is my first time. Actually, it is our first time.
There might be people there because there's a lake, so I don't know. They might fish. It's only like four
Fishing?
spots. Like it's only like 4 parking spots that I saw on the right. And let me see. I'll tell you right now. Oh, that's not it. Oh, this is filled with lights too, though. I think we're better at the hotel going down to by the lake.
Yeah, I think at the poolside, maybe on that area.
This is not it. This is full of lights. Never mind. It was like a little parking.
Yeah,
on
I
the
saw
right.
that earlier.
I think it's here. It's coming up now. Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I think this is it. Yeah, this is it. I forgot.
Yeah. Look at a horror movie setting. Yeah, there's nobody here that I know of.
I don't know. So creepy, love.
But this is supposed to be the place that shows you that there's not really stars in here tonight.
There's no stars.
No.
This is so creepy, guys.
Wait, hang on.
But that's the
Yeah, I don't see any stars.
city.
Yeah, there.
That's
I mean,
the
I see.
Vegas
Oh, I see
down
them
there.
above me, love. If you look up.
Oh yeah, I saw it.
Oh yeah, but there's not a lot going on here.
No, you know why? Because the moon is so bright. No, not that obvious.
You
No.
can see that light over there
Yeah, I can
behind the
see
mountains. But you see that light? That light on top of the mountains? That's Vegas. It's too bright. That's
It.
why
That
we.
one. Look at that.
Yeah, that side is
Down
dark.
there.
Yeah, but Vegas is super bright. All right, cool. I thought we could see something. But
Wala kami makita, guys. Pero ito yung labas. Ah. Ayan, guys.
you want to get out of the car and see?
No, I don't like.
Yeah, let's get out. No?
It's so creepy.
It's okay, love.
Let's just go. It's so creepy, guys. I don't like
It's a river behind us. It's a little creek.
I like it like this.
Okay, well, let's go then.
Yeah.
I know if we go a little further, you're going to see Vegas.
Yeah, but we'd rather go back to the hotel.
No, I'm going to turn around. I just want to take a quick look because the city's right here. Yeah, we'll go back.
Just close the window, guys. Guys, naghanap kami ng stars. Wala kami makitang stars. Ah, what's that?
Light. Oh, light.
So,
Like you.
mabalik kami. Mabalik kami ng hotel. Kasi may stars, kaya lang malabo.
In Florida, you have to do this sometimes, depending where you're at.
Yeah, because of
Snakes
the
and
scorpions.
crocodiles. No, snakes.
Ah,
Crocodiles.
snakes and crocodiles.
Crocodiles are on the cars like that. Crocodiles
Oh my goodness.
in Florida, not here. We don't have them.
So, pasok balik
Here
kami.
we have scorpions. Here.
So, tambay lang kami sa labas. No, we should be like holding hands while walking.
Let me turn this off.
Holding hands na. Teka lang. Bumalik kami dito sa Westin Hotel.
Where are we going?
Kasi, it's open na din ako.
That's okay.
Tama din.
Mata ba? Dapat!
Hindi naman.
Stop filming me.
Balik kami dito. Saan na tayo punta, love?
None of the shirts look good on me. I hate it.
Saan?
They look good if I lose weight.
Love. Hi! Say hi! Ang bigat naman nito. lang kami, tumatambay. We should bring a glass of wine, love. And let's just tambay here. I don't like that. I don't like that app. Kami lang nandito sa labas. Yeah, you have mic there. You can talk. This is our show. No, but I don't know why is this not like front cam doesn't focus. Yun naman yung back view ng camera natin. Are you enjoying your stay here, love? Ganda sana kung may pool kami, kung nakapag-swimming kami. Wala. Sayang naman.
This one works. The last one I had the fifth floor. It doesn't accept that. It doesn't like it. I don't want that. 5. 5. George. 5. 5. 5. 5. Now it's okay. Like, no, not even still. 5. Oh my god, 5. Now we're going. Yep. That's the elevator experience here. Look, not even a second. We're already on the fifth floor. This is so weird. Okay, so. On to my room. Our room. Stop recording my belly.
Oh na!
Look at that.
It's lobat na.
This is low back.
Lobat na yung ano ko. Sa mata
Our room
niya.
is 50-12. It's okay. 50-12. Okay.
Right style.
Yeah. 50-12.
So, wala tayo.
This is the second one. The second story. Because first one sucked. No AC. Yeah, open the door.
Ano ba yan? Oh, I forgot
Yeah,
that.
open the door.
I think I forgot
Right.
that. Sorry.
Open the door.
Ano ba yan?
Open the door.
Ang tagal.
Still stuck, I think. Open the door. This one is not as nice as the other one, but it has cooler AC. There you go.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, ma.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Having wine, guys. Red wine tayo, guys. One more, my love. Let's go.
Let's go.
Maglalakad-lakad kami with our wine. Parang nasa Vegas trip lang.
Hmm?
Yeah, I just remember when we were before, I saw somebody in Vegas trip that they're just walking around the city with their red wine. Oh, look, the one more.
Yeah.
You good with that?
Yeah.
I don't want to bring my bag kasi mabigat.
Spill. Careful. Mm-hmm. Did you finish? Still in there? Okay.
Gano'n siya. Dapat pala 2 bote binili namin.
Still in there? Hey.
No. Para lang kayo makabaliw, guys. Lalakad kami sa mundong ibabaw. Ito ang aming mundo. Wala yung mic namin. Loba.
No bad.
Oh, they still have. There's still people there. Ano kaya nahulog ako dito? Alam nyo ba guys? Konting ano lang. Dati nahulog na ako. Twice na ako nahulog sa hagdanan. Fountain dito. Fountain. Oh, I love it.
That's pretty cool, man.
Oh, kaya nga. This is nice place. It's not that warm now. Nice weather. May camera din siya. Para meron kami, may kanya-kanya kami ano, recording. Mas marami tumatambay dito sa labas, guys. Siguro kasi maganda yung panahon. Oh, sarap ng ano. Ang sound. Yan ang mabaho. I like it here, love. Para tabi tayo.
This is our section. There's 2 fireplaces. We got 2.
Kaya lang mabaho. Never don't like the smell. Dito kami. Mabaho. Ang tanong, malinis ba dito? Guys. Yan yung Pedro. You don't have that.
Nope. You took the stand from me. The little one. The other one.
There.
I put it. Well, yeah, I kind of works.
Ganda, guys. Very nice.
That's better for us. Okay, now we're good. There we go. Now for that. We're getting old. Let's pick up my video. Alright, let's pick up my video.
I love it. I like this one. Oh, it's a lot. It's hard.
Yeah.
outdoor, like the Amarillo outdoor music, right? Hospitality, like outdoor experience. Hi guys! 4:37, nagdi-drive kami sa labas.
1:32.
Uwi kami sa bahay para ayusin ang kumot ni Mama.
I've never been to there at this time, so I don't know where we're
In
going.
1,000 feet, use the left lane to turn left on South Boulder Highway.
She's probably not screaming by now, because she must be really tired.
Yan, nandito kami sa area. Malapit na kami, actually 4 minutes na lang. Yung drive namin dun sa hotel is only 18 minutes. So, since si Mama, this is the first time
Turn left
na
on South Boulder
gising
Highway.
si Mama at this time.
Yeah,
But,
she's
yeah.
really acting.
I just decided to have some coffee and drive.
Yeah, it's morning matters.
Yeah. Drive na lang kami papunta kay Mama.
We're already here, Boulder City.
Yeah.
Boulder City, Boulder.
In half a
Highway.
mile,
Boulder
use the right
City.
lane to turn
Yeah, it's
right on
different,
Greenway
right?
Road.
Yeah, I know where I'm at now. I could turn it out.
Dito na kami, guys.
It's 4:43 a.m.
4:43 a.m. Uwi kami para magpalit ng diaper.
This may wake him up, Golo, because it's right above him. Now Mama's gonna be like, so it's 8 a.m. in the morning, watching the sunrise back downstairs where we started our little gathering last night. Here come Mrs. D, half asleep. And we're gonna probably try the pool today. It opens at 9 a.m. So we'll see how that turns out. I'm gonna look like a little baby seal over there. Alright, you can appreciate it a little more. This is too close. Wait, let me zoom out. Zoom out, zoom out. Oh, we're not zooming out? Oh, so that's it. Okay. It is zoomed out. Sorry. Alright, back. Well, this is a view you don't get every day. Especially here in Vegas. You don't see this, well, kind of this kind of views. Sweet right there. Alright. It's pretty nice. Yeah. No communities being built over there. And over there. Huh. Nice. Here, over there, down there. Down there, right? Here? Okay. This is pretty neat. One of the pits still on. Well, two of them actually. Yeah, relaxing. Okay. I'm done with my video. Nice, yeah. 6:10 a.m. 10 a.m. Four. 4 a.m. to go help my mother. Then came back to the hotel now. So we didn't want to. We were supposed to go to sleep, but we changed our minds and we're out here. So we'll sleep later at home. Catch a nap eventually. Yeah. Hello to Ate, workmate. You're not the only one getting up early. Well, we're not working. Yeah, she gets up at 8 o'clock, her time, right? Or 8 o'clock my time? I can't really. Yeah, 8 o'clock. I don't know. Yeah, 11 over there. Wow, she goes in late to work. That's why. Yeah, it's nice. Nice to watch. Really nice. Now it's when I want wine again. What's left of the wine? It's so early. No coffee. It's a coffee shop here, but it's on the other side of the lobby, and I don't know. It should be open. Starbucks.
Guys, nasaksihan namin ang paglitaw ni Haring Araw. Ayun na guys. What a experience dito sa Las Vegas. First time ko ma-experience yung sunrise dito sa Las Vegas, guys. Na-amaze lang ako. I just wanna share you guys my experience. Yan. Papasok na kasi kami sa kwarto. Matutulog na ulit kami. Ganda. Ganda lang niya. Yan si Pedro. Hi! Ganda nung ng tunog ng tubig. Papasok na rin kami sa kwarto. Tutulog ulit kami. Ganda ng fountain ba to o falls? Ewan ko kung falls ba tawag dun. Let's go, guys. Aga pa ha. 6:41. Gusto magkape ni Pedro ay nagkape na ako. Pa-close pa yata yung kapihan nila. Close pa. Yan o. Arabesque Lounge. Meron sila ditong bar entertainment area. Dalawa yan. Doon parang bar. Ganda nung nila, chandelier nila. Laki yung lobby nila. Balik kami sa room namin, guys. Kasi may tawag ng panahon. Ng kalikasan. Ayun yung front desk nila. Yung area yun. Ito yung pinaka-entrance. So, punta tayo sa room. Dito ba lang? Dito. Pag kailangan ng yelo. Ito, meron ditong window for drinks. Pag kailangan ng yelo, ito. Ito na tayo ng kwarto. Matigas ulo nito eh. Kailangan long press. Pero saglit lang naman. Cheek! Go lang. Dito. Nakita na ako nalilipit. I'm so lost. I'm lost without you. Know that?
Oh, this is Mama's room. She was staying there.
Oh my goodness. Yung tawag ng kalikasan. Actually, napalipat kami na room kahapon. Kasi, hindi masyado malamig. Kaya tignan niyo yung ref namin. One night lang kami pero bumili kami ng mga kape namin dyan. Gatorade. May cheese kami. Actually, may ice cream pa kami dyan. Tapos may chichirya kami. Nag-wine kami kagabi. Cup noodles kami. Mag-breakfast kami sa baba mo. Pero ngayon, hindi muna inaantok ako. Sakit ulo ko. Balik kami ng paghiga. Guys, andito na kami sa pool. I should have that palda na vlog. Look at that palda. I should have that palda. The palda of that lady. I will buy that. Kaya nga exclusive. Meron. Tingnan natin kung malamig yung tubig. Kasi kung malamig. Oh no. It's good. Yeah. Guys, maganda tubig. Pero try namin kung merong what do you call that? Spa water?
Pool water.
No, I mean, we're looking for
Oh, we're looking for hot tub.
hot tub.
I don't see a hot tub there. I have a slide. No, Mama.
So, nandito kami guys sa second pool, yung first pool. Baba kami. Baba kami guys. Is this open?
Yeah, it is.
Second pool with slides. Oh, we go for ano? PWD. Ito. For disability. Pool with disability. Oo. Meron din sa amin yan, te. It's cold? Malamig daw. Oh, meron din silang beach.
That's fine. Also,
I touched it na.
with your feet.
Normal.
Okay.
But I don't like.
You don't like?
I wanna just swing, ano, at home na lang. The shower at home na lang, guys. Ayoko mag-ano, lamig, malamig pa rin. Gusto ko hot water. No diving.
There we go. Okay.
No diving. Guys, relax lang kami dito. Dito lang tayo sa poolside. Ito yung first pool. Actually, meron silang jacuzzi. Pero sarado. Allergic. Tapos dito sa area niya, meron dyan parang snack bar. Kaya nakauwi na kami. Kumain na kami. Tapos ito yung paligid ng pool. May jacuzzi yan doon sa likod nito. Diyan naman sa area niyan, sa baba, merong second pool. Yan, relax lang tayo, guys. Ayan yung hotel, guys.
Yeah, probably yes. I am. I love it.
It's so sweet, asawa. I love you.
I love you too. Bye. Bye, West End. Bye-bye, Lake Las Vegas. Until we meet again, probably never. Because Florida has got way better places than this. Way better.
In 3/4
And park
of a mile,
entertainment.
at the roundabout, take the third exit on Lake Las Vegas Parkway.
It's just an adult place. It's for drinkers and bad people that get. That's what this is. Disney for adults. For people that care about those things.
It is really nice. It's
if I
just that
could
the
live here, I would
yeah.
love to live here. It's gorgeous. But this is a 6-figure salary budget. Like
Oh, yeah.
I would have had to stay at Amazon to live here.
Yeah.
So it kinda,
But next visit, we can try the Hilton if you want.
yeah. No, we're at
No, that's West or West End.
but it's open though.
No, Marriott.
There?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
They connected
Sorry.
with Marriott.
So I was wrong about
But
that.
Marriott is also
At the
nice
roundabout, take the third
company.
exit.
Yeah.
Maybe it's
No, it's
just
nice. It's just I didn't find a lot to do, I guess.
yeah.
Just 2 restaurants. It was so...
And the
it
restaurant
was
we want to
basic.
eat there.
It was closed.
They're
till
closed.
the afternoon.
Yeah,
So it was like...
everything is
yeah.
closed.
At the roundabout, take
So
the
we
third
need to
exit
go
onto
out
Las Vegas Parkway.
outside.